Hello, my fellow bar patron. So, if you clicked on this episode, it means you want to keep your sorry ass in check when you go out. Here's 5 things that you should never do in a bar. Serious. You ready for this? Don't click your fingers or whistle at the bartender. It's rude. We're not dogs. It's gross. Don't do it. 2. Don't make out next to the bar top. You're not as sexy as you think you look. It's kind of gross and I'm just not here for it. Go make out in a dark corner. Ooh. Number 3, don't go up to your bartender or floor tender and go, "Is this your real job?" Yeah, honey, it is our real job and we smash our real job every single day of our life. Also, hospitality is a fantastic career and has so many opportunities. You don't need a degree for hospitality, and you know what? It teaches you patience and how to talk to people. What more could you want? Honestly, aristocrats, the working class, are bartenders and floor tenders. We will on you. We'll just get more weapons as I go. Number 4, don't ask your bartender to smile, because you know what? We're concentrating. And mostly when we concentrate, it's kind of hard to keep the whole smiley disposition. We want to make sure you have a good drink and that we're doing our jobs correctly. But if you come up to me and be like, "Oh my God, you'd be so much prettier if you smiled," I swear to God, all these will end up inside your asshole. Also, I don't see you asking any dudes to do that for you. Sexist. And finally, number 5, don't order your Guinness last. Just don't do it. Like, seriously, what's your problem, mate? Why? So, if you think you do any of these things when you're out, babes, watch this video again, and then watch it again, and then watch it one more time. And then you're allowed to go out into the real world and have yourself a beverage, because you know how to actually act in a bar. If you do any of these things, you are a knob. Finally, tip your bartender, tip your floor tender, tip them all, tip. Because we got to put up with your bullshit. We love you. We love you so much. We love you when you're well behaved and you're great. Don't order your Guinness last. Don't ask people to smile. Don't make out at the bar. Don't
ask if it says our real job.
Don't ask. Sorry, let me do this again. Don't whistle or click your fingers. Don't ask us if it's our real job. Don't ask to smile. Don't assume that.
Making out at the bar.
Yeah. Click, whistle, make out, real job, smile, Guinness. So to summarize, don't whistle or click. Oh, right, one last time. Getting frustrated now. To summarise, don't whistle or click, don't ask us to smile, don't make out at the bar, don't order your Guinness last, and don't ask us if it's our real job. And remember, tip. Thank you for this edition of Cocktail Mechanics. Now that you've learnt your lesson, see you next Wednesday. Bye, bitch.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
We're doing well, just the tip.
Do you do cocktails, good sir?
Do you do a cocktail?
Oh.
Like a Manhattan. Thank you very much.
A Manhattan. Oh, pa.
Would you like
A surprise? I don't want a surprise. Just order a drink.